Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be styling my hair in Flexi rods. I tried them a few times in the past, but I didn't like the outcome, so I decided to make another attempt on freshly washed, stretched and dry hair. So if you'd like a detailed video on how I stretch my hair without heat, you can find it linked in the cards above. Okay? So I'm just taking the braids down and brushing through the section for a smooth, tangle-free styling experience. Then I gathered this section and repeated the process for the remaining sections. So I used the rattle comb to just clean out the parts for a neater appearance. You guys know I love a good left side part, so I just went ahead to create that before styling, because creating the part after styling will result in frizzy looking curls and we don't want that. For easy coordination, I'm using the purple and yellow rods in the back, while the blue and pink rods will be for the front section. While styling the back section, I flexed both ends of the rods so that it doesn't poke me in the neck or back. But for the front section, I flexed just one end of it to firmly secure the roots. Okay, so let me explain this technique that I'm using, right? First, I detangle a small section. Apply the Cream of Nature styling mousse. Detangle the section again using a detangling brush because I want my hair smooth and tangle free. Then I wrap the end of my hair in 2 or 3 successions to secure the ends. Twirl the flexi rods around my hair while making sure that I'm holding my hair firmly to the rods. Now when I get to the roots of my hair, I just flex the rods away from the roots so it doesn't move. So it's next day now, and it took about 15 hours for my hair to completely air dry. That's a long time. Sleeping in this rose was no fun, guys, but I slept in this satin bonnet and even walked out with the bonnet on. Also, if you look closely, you see that I loosened the rod on my hairline by 1 roll before going to bed last night because it felt slightly uncomfortable to sleep in it. So I'm taking it down now. This, guys, this is actually the best flexi rod set I've ever done. First time I tried this style, it ripped some of my hair off during the takedown process. But this time I applied coconut oil while stretching my hair to reduce the friction between my hair and the rods. And it worked because I didn't lose any hair this time. Yay! So I further separated the curls for more volume, making sure to pull my hair apart only where the curls naturally want to separate. If you hold on to the curls and look at it closely, you see the areas where your hair looks like it wants to make a separation. So just separate from those points and continue separating until you no longer see any lines of separation. I'm absolutely in love with how this turned out, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments and whether or not you'd be willing to give flexi rods a try. Bye guys, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video.